Hi friends, today we are going to read a story called The Sights, Sounds, and Smells of Christmas. Okay, Christmas is a beautiful time of the year. There are so many things we see, hear, and smell in this special season. We see so many pretty lights. This house has thousands of flickering bulbs. We see lights on trees too. Some are outside. And some are inside. Yeah, you can see Miss Felicia's tree in the background. We also see ornaments in all shapes and sizes. Christmas is coming. What else do you see during the holiday season? We hear Christmas music everywhere we go. You might hear Charlie Brown. We hear the sounds of Christmas bells. That's a good sound to hear. We hear people wishing each other a Merry Christmas. We hear the squeals of laughter as kids go sledding down a snowy hill. We also hear the sounds of snowblowers and people shoveling. The snow is falling. Christmas is near. What other sounds do you hear during the Christmas season? We smell peppermint as we hang the candy canes on the Christmas tree. Ooh, we smell the hot chocolate as we come in from the cold. It will taste delicious. We smell the pine needles as we cut down our Christmas tree. We smell the gingerbread cookies as we wait for them to cool. They will be fun to decorate. We also smell the apple pie baking for our Christmas dinner. Christmas is here. What else do you smell during this holiday season? Christmas is a great time with many sights, sounds, and smells. The end. Alright, nice job watching the video and reading the story with me. I will see you next time. Bye.